Namaskar. I welcome you in this today's session. Today we are going to learn about the difference between physical adsorption and chemical adsorptions. Now look at here to the left side. So this diagram is for physical adsorption and this is for the chemical adsorption. Now this blue surface represent the adsorbent. Blue surface represent the adsorption and the yellow molecules represents the adsorbate. Okay. Now, in case of physical adsorption, what is happening? The adsorbate molecules are held to the surface by weak van der Waals forces. The adsorbate molecule are held to the adsorbent surface by van der Waals forces, whereas in chemical adsorption, the adsorbate molecule are held to the surface of adsorption by chemical bond. This is very much important to understand. The adsorbate held on the surface by using chemical bond in case of chemical adsorption, and in case of physical adsorption the adsorbate molecule are held on the surface of adsorbent by weak van der Waals forces. Okay, now there are more difference points, so let us see the first difference point. So adsorbate and adsorbent are held together by weak van der Waals forces in case of physical adsorption. In chemical adsorption, these are held together by chemical bonds such as ionic or covalent bond. In physical adsorption, the heat of adsorption is low, okay, which is nearly equal to 20 to 40 kilojoule per mole. Heat of adsorption means the amount of heat evolved when the molecules of adsorbate gets adsorbed on the surface of adsorbent. In case of chemical adsorption, the heat of adsorption is high, which is nearly equal to 40 to 400 kilojoule per mole. Now, the physical adsorption is reversible in nature. That is, desorption can take place by increasing the temperature or decreasing the pressure. Here, this adsorb molecule, we can remove this molecule. We can remove this molecule by increasing little temperature or increasing the decreasing the pressure, increasing temperature and decreasing pressure. The desorption takes place in case of physical adsorption by increasing temperature or decreasing the pressure. So this physical adsorption is reversible in nature. Now chemical adsorption is irreversible in nature. Okay, you cannot easily remove the adsorbate from the adsorbent surface by simply increasing temperature or increasing the pressure. Okay, so we need more efforts to remove the adsorbed phase from the adsorbent surface in case of chemical adsorption. Now, to occur physical adsorption, no activation energy is required, but to occur chemical adsorption, activation energy is required. Physical adsorption takes place at low temperature and decreases with increase in temperature, whereas the chemical adsorption increases with increase in temperature. Physical adsorption decreases with increasing temperature, whereas chemical adsorption increases with increase in temperature. Second, it is not specific in nature. Physical adsorption is non-specific in nature, whereas chemical adsorption is highly specific in nature. Next, physical adsorption increases with increase in surface area of adsorbent. Physical adsorption increases with increase in the surface area of the adsorption, whereas the chemical adsorption increases with increase in the surface area of adsorbent. Okay, and last important point is that physical adsorption forms multi-molecular layer. Physical adsorption form multi-molecular layer, whereas the chemical adsorption forms monomolecular layer, or it is also called as unimolecular layer. So here you can see that the in physical adsorption multi-molecular layer is formed, whereas in chemical adsorption mono layer or unilayer of adsorbate is formed. Okay, so thank you for watching this session. You can take screenshot of the screen. To get further notification of the videos, then please like and subscribe this YouTube channel. So thank you for watching this session.